Did you know? Did you know that there are more than 15 million single moms in America today? Or that they are currently raising more than 22 million of America's youth? Well, I'm a percentage of that. When you think of a single parent, I know that immediately you think of all of the negative effects. There's a lot of judgment, there's a lot of being looked down on, and very easily does it get overseen that there are also positive effects from a single parent. Some of the stereotypes um, are very negative. A child's not going to succeed because they were raised by a single parent, or concerns of the child. According to an article that I read on prospect.org, the consequences of a child being raised by a single parent are poverty, delinquency, and school failure. According to SecureTeen.com, the psychological effects are resentment, a sense of inferiority, emotional issues, and feeling insignificant. A little bit of my story, because like I said above, or previously, I am a percentage of that. My mom is my superhero. She not only raised me on her own, but she raised myself and my 3 younger siblings. I faced a lot of challenges growing up. Um, there were negative effects in my own life, yes, by being raised without my father, his absence. And it was extremely difficult trying to want the best for me and also see my friends who had their families complete. But these are some of the positive effects that I've seen in my own life because of being raised of a single mom. I am a very independent person today. I'm very confident. And one thing I learned throughout my journey with my mom is accountability. We all go through hardships, yes, but it all goes down to what you choose to do with it and how you choose to let your circumstances affect you. And because I chose to look at my story from a positive perspective, I have been able to grow into the woman that I am today. The impact that it's had on my life is significant. A few fun facts that I can share with you are, for example, Barack Obama, he was raised by a single mom, something that you would have never known. Angelina Jolie is another one. Alicia Keys is someone else as well. And Michael Phelps. These people are so influential today that you would never know that they were raised by a single mom. You would never think that that is all that they have known, and that they don't know what it's like to have a father figure in their life. And if I could add one more thing, is in my opinion, along with the positive effects of being emotionally strong and mentally stable and growing up beyond your years, which causes maturity, is, like I said, accountability. Accountability because these people that I just mentioned that are very influential today, they could have let their circumstances affect them. They could have let that be a reason why they can't go after their dreams or be a setback. But instead, like I said, everyone has a journey in their life that they go through, and you choose what you get to do with it. You choose if it lets you affect, if you let it affect you in a positive way, or if you will stay in I would say, a victim mentality and let it affect you. You never know what's on the other side unless you actually try to go for it. And instead of looking down on single moms or single dads, empower each other, hold each other accountable, and help them out, because you don't know what they're currently going through. And you don't know the hardships that they're going through, but having someone be there for them goes long ways, and you never know who the next president of America will be, or who the next gold medalist is going to be, and you don't know if that person was raised by a single parent.